Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Clara. Clara had a special gift that no one else in her village possessed. She could talk to clouds. This magical ability made Clara the village's secret weather expert, though most people didn't know it. Every morning, Clara would climb the highest hill and gaze up at the sky. The clouds would gather around her, eager to share their stories. They told her about distant storms, gentle rains, and sunny days ahead. Clara listened intently, learning about the weather and understanding the patterns of the sky. One day, the villagers were worried. The harvest festival was approaching, and they feared it might rain and ruin their celebration. Clara, with her kind heart, decided to help. She climbed her hill and called out to the clouds. "Dear clouds," Clara whispered, "can you tell me if it will rain on the festival day?" A fluffy white cloud floated down and replied, "There is a storm coming from the north, but we can try to hold it back for you." Clara thanked the cloud and hurried back to the village. She reassured everyone that the clouds would try their best to keep the rain away. The villagers were skeptical, but hopeful. As the festival day arrived, the sky was filled with clouds, but not a drop of rain fell. The villagers celebrated with joy, dancing and feasting under the cloudy sky. They marveled at their good fortune, never knowing about Clara's conversation with the clouds. Over time, Clara's secret began to spread. People from nearby villages came to seek her advice about the weather. Clara always helped, asking the clouds to share their knowledge. She learned to predict weather patterns more accurately and became known as the Cloud Whisperer. One day, a severe drought threatened the land. The fields were dry, and the rivers were low. Clara knew she had to do something. She climbed her hill and called out to the clouds once more. "Dear clouds," Clara pleaded, "can you bring us rain to save our crops and fill our rivers?" The clouds gathered together, and a dark, rain-filled cloud spoke. "We will help you, Clara. We will bring rain to your village." Within hours, the sky darkened, and a gentle rain began to fall. The villagers rejoiced, their crops and rivers saved. They praised Clara for her gift and kindness, and she became a beloved figure in the land. From that day on, Clara continued to speak with the clouds, guiding her village through storms and sunshine. The Cloud Whisperer brought harmony between the people and the skies, ensuring that everyone lived in peace and prosperity. And so, in the small village between the rolling hills, the story of Clara, the Cloud Whisperer, was told for generations, reminding everyone of the magic that lies in understanding and kindness. For more stories, subscribe our channel.